Having a hard time finding reliable people for your team, we're gonna go over some things that you can start using in your business to start hiring the right people. Finding the right candidate is a huge part of your business, and that starts with conducting effective interviews, which can and will make all the difference. So first, let's talk about what to look for in these candidates. Look for relevant experience in cleaning or similar fields like customer service, sales, etc. A strong work ethic is crucial, especially reliability. And in our industry, it's a must because cleaning can be demanding and we need to be at those services at specific times. So finding someone reliable is extremely important. A positive attitude makes for a better team dynamic and a customer experience. So hiring a person that is willing to work in a team is also important. And finally, ensure they align with your company values. This is key for maintaining a cohesive culture and a healthy work environment. Now, where do you find these great candidates? Start with job boards and websites dedicated to cleaning jobs like Indeed and ZipRecruiter. You can post on there and you'll find some good candidates. You can promote on social media and networking events to reach a wider audience, but don't forget about employee referrals. Your current team can be a great resource for finding reliable new hires. Even family and friends can also be helpful. Preparation is key for effective interviews. Create a comfortable environment to put candidates at ease. I always say, think like we are at a coffee shop, relax, and let's just talk. Be prepared with relevant questions that assesses both skills and cultural fit. Review resumes in advance so you can ask informed questions. This is the time that you have with them, so really get to know them and see if they're a good match for your team. During the interview, start with open-ended questions to encourage candidates to share more about themselves. Listen actively to understand their experiences and perspective. Assess both their skills and how well they fit into your team, and give them a realistic job preview so they know what to expect. The key to hiring is bringing people who match your values, so don't steer away from that. Make sure they are a value match before you bring them in to training or hiring them. After the interview, review and compare notes to evaluate each candidate fairly. I suggest having up to 5 people to choose from. So conduct references checks to verify their background and experience. Make your decision promptly and communicate it to the candidates, respecting their time and interest. Some candidates are already looking at other job offers, so if you'd like the candidate, grab them as soon as you can. And now for some gold nuggets. Use a hiring checklist to ensure you cover all the bases during the process. The last thing you want to tell yourself is, I should have asked these questions or grabbed this information while you were there. Offer competitive benefits to attract and retain top talent, and foster a positive company culture where your team feels valued and motivated. You want your team on the same page, and people who are not part of your values will stand out, which will create problems in the future. So make sure that they are value match before you hire them. So this should be enough information for you to hire the right team for your cleaning business. Implement these tips and you'll be a strong, reliable team in no time. Having the wrong people in your company will create headaches. So make sure that you bring the right people to your team so that you can scale and you can grow.